Quality ba talaga ang Ingco grinder? Well, I got you, my friend. Welcome back sa Power Tool Universe. Let's start from Ingco's specification. Ang Ingco grinder ay may 220 to 240 volts. Input power na 750 watts. At umaabot ng 12,000 ang RPM. Ang spindle thread naman ay M10. Ito ay compatible with 100mm or 4 inches disc diameter. Additional features like easy carbon brushes maintenance and on-off switch. Included accessories are 1% auxiliary handle at 1% spindle with manual. Applications can be used in wood, iron and concrete. Para saan ba ang Ingco angle grinder? Ang angle grinder ay isang power tool na maaaring gamitin para sa iba't ibang proyekto. Maaaring pang-cut ng metal, aluminyo, konkreto, brick, pavers, kahoy at iba pa. Ginagamit din ito upang maghasa ng mga tool gaya ng mga cutting tools. Pwede rin itong pang-grind, depende sa uri ng mga disc. Napakaraming gamit ng angle grinder dahil isa ito sa mga mahahalagang power tool. Kaunting kaalaman. Noong 1954, ang high-speed angle grinder ay naimbento ng German company na Ackermann at Smith. At tinawag nila itong flex or flexible, na ang ibig sabihin ay angle grinder. Magkano ba ang offer price ni Ingco sa angle grinder niya? Well, to find out, just click the link below to earn 50% discount. Don't forget to like, subscribe, also click the notification bell. Now, let's move on honest product review. Tested ang brand na Ingco. Malakas kahit maliit at magaan. Sakto ang kapit sa kamay. Complete lahat, pati ang dalawang free diamond cutting disc. Okay naman ang delivery at maayos ang packaging. Highly recommended. Will order again. Delivery is good. Also good packaging. Items are secure. Already tested and it's working fine. I love the grinder, and it works. Tried it already. Thank you Ingco, though having such quality hand tools. Till my next set of tools. Thumbs up. Parcel securely arrived. Well packed and arrived ahead of schedule. Our second transaction with this shop. And boy, we are satisfied with the service and with the products. Thank you very much. Nice, ang ganda. Sobrang nagustuhan ng tito ko, puro Ingco na ang mga gamit niya. Overall review about Ingco grinder. Satisfied naman ang mga recent buyers. Quality ba talaga ang Ingco angle grinder? Thanks for watching. Stay positive. Stay safe.